Good morning. The sun is sort of shining. The roosters are definitely a-roosting, but it's still raining. So I might see a rainbow today. Now there's a thing. I'm going to look for the gold all around me, everywhere, even though I've had to put on wet biking clothes and wet waterproofs and a wet jacket coming up as well, because there was no heating here last night, so none of it's dried out. Hopefully it will dry on the ferry, which I booked late last night. I've had to book a ferry because the train prices, they were either really early this morning at £90 or nothing in the middle of the day, or £137. So I booked a ferry for 48, so that's better. And I'm quite happy to go and sit on there and have my coffee and head back to Dover. I've been up 50 minutes and I've lost a key already. Luckily my friend Barry told me to always bring a spare so I can get home. Just probably going to be quite expensive, but the gold is I've got a spare, and I've lost my bungee, but the gold is I've still got a broken ratchet strap holding it on just about. Today's going to be a great day. Through another passport control. I hope the car in front knows where he's going. I haven't got a Scooby-Doo. I had heard stories about P&O when you get here on your Can-Am. They up the price to charge for a car rather than a motorbike, but so far so good. I'm sitting here chuckling to myself because I'm now at the UK border control, and the last 2 weeks I've been through 5 countries and not had to show my passport once, and now I've had to show it. It's the 3rd time in about 5 minutes. No one's asked me to take my helmet off yet though. Goodness me, this is a very busy port. Oh, I've just lost my thingy. I've just had to run across all the tracks and I lost my thingy. Oh my goodness. Oh, bugger. It's a bit windy here. Oh. Right, hold on tight. Oh. That's me done for the day. I'm knackered now. I just asked him if he wanted me to take my helmet off, and he said no. And I had 101 questions about where I've been, what I've been doing. There's a nice little coffee bar and seating area. I thought I'd come and look at the Lego a little after. But look, $31.99. Lego is so expensive. It's crazy, just 100 and, with duty free, £160. That he won't be getting any Lego. Suddenly remembered I'd run out of my Clinique Happy. You think, wow, that's good, £30 for that much, and then you pick the bottle up and you realise it's half the size. They're very clever. It's the same with the men. Look, what a mean nanny. I won't buy him any Lego, but I'll spend £30 on perfume for me. Hey, I'm worth it. That's not to say that he's not. I just spent enough money on him anyway. But nothing gluten-free. I don't think they've even heard of gluten-free in France. It's all fresh bread, which I'm sure is delicious. And part of me would love to eat it, but the other part of me would be very ill if I did. Onboard, travel sickness tablets on board. I had a really nice chat with the captain, bless him. I'm like, which way are we travelling? Because I have to face forwards. Even well, we don't turn round like we used to. So we can go both ways. He says, so what end did you just come on? And I went, that end. He went, no, you came on that end and you drove that. And I'm like, oh, okay. I don't know. I mean, fancy asking me. I'm all confused. I've had to come up 2 flights of steps. But anyway, we're heading that way. And this is how you can tell, apparently. The blue end heads to the White Cliffs of Dover, and the yellow end heads towards Calais. That's on this particular ship on P&O though, so if it's different on the ship that you go on, then don't shoot the messenger. Yum, yum, yum. Well done, P&O. All gluten and lactose free and vegetarian. Breakfast is spicy. Goodbye, Calais. Goodbye, France. We're now sailing to the White Cliffs of Dover into rain and Gale Force Winds. Deep joy. Blimey, this is a rough crossing. We're bouncing all over the place. I'm just trying to remember myself now, like, just like turbulence on the plane careener. It's just the cross section of the water. Oh God, got my coffee, try and get it back without spilling it all. Only another hour or so to go. Out the corner of my window, I've just seen the White Cliffs of Dover. Oh, none of the doors are in operation. I think maybe we can't get out because it's so rough. Oh, wow, look at that for a lifeboat. They've changed. No dinghies and oars. No, none of the doors are working. Oh yes they are. Woo! Oh my goodness! Being blown away! Look at this for a lifeboat! Looks like a roller coaster ride. I think it would be today on these waves. Look what I can see! Try not to drop my phone over the edge. Honestly, the things I do for your entertainment. Ah! I mean, safe. Now to find out if they're going to let this crazy woman back in. They'll probably be like, no, go back round again. Still on the boat. Oh, I've got to get on the left side of the road. I've got to ride on the left. Yay! Welcome home! more than 4. I think they're just taking the mickey. Essex to Andy's parents. Just about. Went the wrong way out of the ferry port, so not sure where I ended up, but there you go. And then what did I do? Oh yeah, next it was raining so much, I had to put, I mean the good thing is with your phone on maps, it's got the blue, so when you come into roundabout it's on the blue side of the side you need to go, so it was telling me. That was good. And then it was raining so much I had to put my phone away safe. And it said to me, at the roundabout, take the third exit. And I'm like, my brain just couldn't compute the switching from the right side of the road to the left. What lane I needed to be in. I got it by the time I got here to Essex. I did like it though when it said take the second exit, because I could get in either lane, couldn't I? Anyway, it's been wonderful sharing time with Andy's folks, and it's been absolutely lovely showing his mum the photos of her Uncle Fred's grave. And I'm very, very excited because I thought I picked up some scones on there, not scones, some crumpets on the way in, gluten-free, but I hadn't. I picked up bread rolls instead. So I've just been round to the chippy to get chips and a gherkin. Get a nice chip butty with tomato ketchup. Yum, yum, yum. It was a lovely ride back up through Suffolk and Norfolk with blue skies and no rain. I've just started unpacking my panniers and I found my key that I lost, so that's good. I did see a little bit of a rainbow as I drove in as well. I did find lots of gold today, and being back home is worth all the tea in China. I'm going to take a day or two off now to catch up with families, but I will see you when I head west to the west coast of England and up round Scotland. Ta-ta for now.